almost 25 years now. See, 1996 it is started.
What are the problems your industry faces here?
See, here basically overall we have the road problem, and as a industry we have water shortage is there, and electricity problem is there. Sometimes we got high voltage also, low voltage, and all our electrical instruments getting repaired damaged frequently. So these all problems we are facing.
Any backup plan do you have for your industry, like inverters or generators?
See, for power we have the generator we have, but it costs more, no? It costs more to the company. Our cost of production is increasing ultimately. And for water also we have borewell also as well, but we only getting 30% of water of our requirement. Only 30% we are getting. Yeah, because for our industry, water is the main ingredient of our product. So we are getting only 30% of water from IDC.
Sir, you have been there for last 25 years. So is there a change from before and now?
Actually, this power problem particularly we are facing in last 2 years only. Before that there was no power shortage. So only these last 2 years we are facing power problem. And water also last 4-5 years we are facing water problem. Before that we used to get as much as we used to get. Now we are getting all the problems.
Your industry works in shift wise, night shift is there?
We are shifting. We are working only in general shift.
Any other problems do you face, like garbage collection, roads, anything?
Roads, mainly roads. This you must be seen in the entrance of our road, from main road to entrance also. All three entrances are there for this industrial estate. Only one recently they rectified it. So another 2 entrances are still in that bad condition only. Our industrial association wanted road accessibility from the highway. Yes. So that is still pending. So that we are frequently requesting the government. So we don't know when it is going to happen. We are facing lot of difficulty in finding skilled laborers. Unskilled we are getting as much as we are getting. Only the skilled laborers, the shortage is there. So we have to recruit from other states.